Good morning, students of class 9B. In this period of mathematics, we are solving factorization, exercise 4.3. Question number 1 states that factorize the following by difference of two squares. Difference of two squares, I want to express that given expression, we will set the given expression in the form of a square minus b square, and we know the formula of a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Question number A. The expression is x square minus 16. We have to change this expression in the form of a square minus b square. For that I wrote x square minus 4 square, because 4 square equal to 16. So this became in the form of a square minus b square. For that we can write a plus b into a minus b. Means x plus 4 into x minus 4. Question number C. The given expression is 441 minus 81 square, 81y square. This will write in the form of a square minus b square. This will be written as 21 whole square, because 21 into 21 equal to 441, minus this will be written as 9y whole square. 9 9 is 81 y square. So this became in the form of a square minus b square. For that we can write a plus b into a minus b. I mean 21 plus 9y into 21 minus 9y. So from these two terms 3 will come common, and inside the bracket 7 plus 3y is left. And from these two terms again 3 will come common, inside the bracket 7 minus 3y is left. So this 3 into 3 9, and 7 plus 3y into 7 minus 3y. 9 into 7 plus 3y into 7 minus 3y, these are the factors. Question number E. The given question is 625 minus b square. We can write 25 square minus b square, because 25 square equal to 625. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. I wrote a plus b means 25 plus b into a minus b means 25 minus b. This became the answer. Question number G. 8xy square minus 18x cube. From these two terms we can take common 2x. Here 4y square is left, and here 9x square is left. 2x, this will be written as 2y whole square minus 3x whole square, because 2y whole square equal to 4y square and 3x whole square equal to 9x square. So this 2x came here. A square minus b square will be written as a plus b into a minus b. So this will be 2y plus 3x into 2y minus 3x. This became the answer. Now question number I. A into a minus 1 minus b into b minus 1. I omitted the bracket. These two terms will be multiplied by plus a. So plus 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 a into a square, plus minus minus a into a, minus plus minus b into b square, minus minus plus b into 1 b. Then I made the group. I wrote these together, a square minus b square, and these two together, minus a plus b. I carried this same a square minus b square, and from these two terms I took minus common. So inside the bracket a minus b will be written, because a minus plus minus 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 plus b. Now this is a plus b into a minus b, and this is already a minus b. Now a minus b, this term will be taken common. In the bracket what is left? A plus b, at this place minus 1. So the answer became a minus b into a plus b minus 1. Question number 2a. Factorize the following. Expression is 9 into a minus b whole square minus a plus b whole square. I wrote this is a minus b whole square, so a square plus b square minus 2ab. This minus, this is a plus b whole square, so a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then I multiplied all these three terms by 9, and I got 9a square plus 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 9b square plus minus minus 9 2 is 18 AB. And I multiplied these three terms by minus plus minus a square minus plus minus b square minus plus minus 2ab. 9a square minus a square 8a square, 9b square minus b square 8b square minus 18ab minus 2ab minus 20ab. In all these three terms 4 is common. What is left? I wrote inside the bracket. After taking 4 common, here 2a square is left, here 2b square is left, here 5ab is left. Then I splitted this minus 5ab. I wrote this minus 5ab as minus 4ab minus ab. And this is written same 2a square and plus 2b square. In this step, this 4 came here. In the first two terms, we can take 2a common. Here a is left minus and here 2b is left. From these two terms, I have taken minus b common. So here a is left. This plus will be changed into minus because minus minus plus, and here 2b is left. So we are seeing a minus 2b, a minus 2b. So a minus 2b became common. This 4 came here. A minus 2b became common, and this 2a minus b is written at last inside the bracket. This became the answer. Question number 2, factorize the following. Question number C, 2a minus b whole square minus 9 into 3c minus d whole square. I wrote this expression as 2a minus b whole square. To take this 9 inside, I have to multiply these two terms by 3. So 3 to take, as we take 9 inside, then 3 will come inside, not 9, because 3 is square 9. So for 9, 3 will come inside. So these two terms will be multiplied by 3 only. 3 into 3c, 9c, 3 into d, 3d whole square. Now you can take 3 common, so 3 will come out, but 3 alone will not come out. 3 square will come out, and 3 square equal to 9. So I say, when you take 9 inside, then these two terms will be multiplied by 3 only. I multiplied these two terms by 3 and I got 3 into 3c, 9c minus 3 into d, 3d whole square. Now this is a square minus b square. So a plus b means 2a minus b plus 9c minus 3d. A minus b, so 2a minus b minus 9c and minus minus plus 3d. So this is considered, this whole is considered a and this whole is considered b. So a square minus b square, a plus b I wrote here, and a minus b I wrote here. A is written same. To write minus b, these two terms will be multiplied by minus plus minus and minus minus plus. So the answer became 2a minus b plus 9c minus 3d into 2a minus b minus 9c plus 3d. Question number E, x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. I wrote this expression as x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 x into 1 by x, because x cancelled, again minus 2 is coming back. But as I wrote this expression in this form, this is the form of a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is in the form of a minus b whole square. A is x and b is 1 by x. So I wrote a minus b whole square means x minus 1 by x whole square. So the factors become x minus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. In question number H, the given expression is 4xy minus x square minus 4y square plus z square. I wrote this given expression as minus x square minus 4y square plus 4xy plus z square. From these three terms, I have taken minus common. So here x square, 4y square minus 4xy. If you multiply all these three sign by minus, you will get back this expression. And this is written, z square is written as same. Now, minus this minus came here, x square plus this 4y will be written as 2y whole square minus 2ab, 2 into a is x, b is 2y plus z square. This minus came here. What are you seeing? This is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is equal to a minus b whole square. I mean x minus 2y whole square and plus z square. From these two terms I have taken minus common, so I wrote this remaining term in the bracket. This will be x minus 2y whole square and this plus will be changed into minus because minus minus plus z square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. This minus came here and a plus b means x minus 2y plus z and into a minus b x minus 2y minus z. This became the answer.